Warning, do not blast the laser in somebody's eyes as it will blind them permanently. Thank you.
Hello, this is Prime Cigars here, and today we are doing the AstroAI's infrared thermometer. So now we have opened the box, and right here we see the warranty. Thank you for your purchase. And the infrared thermometer comes with a 1-year warranty, but if you register, you get 1 more year, which is pretty neat. Alright, so now let's get to the thermometer itself. It has a very strong plastic structure, so that it won't break that easily when you throw it on the ground from a bad tantrum you had after you lost a game of Fortnite. And it's also a really good gun to use in laser tag. So now I'll show you how to open up the battery compartment to put the battery in. So first you open that up, you put the battery in, oh whoops, there you go, make sure it's on tightly, fits in, and then you press the trigger to turn it on. There it is. You can change from Celsius to Fahrenheit, which is pretty cool. Right there, you see that C? Alright, so we will show you all the settings for the thermometer, I mean. So the trigger will turn on the thermometer, right there. That's Celsius and Fahrenheit, to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit, basically. Next is the backlight. So whenever it's dark at night, you can see the screen properly, but it's kind of hard to see on the camera. Next is the laser, to turn it on or to turn it off.